Hi fellas, welcome back to the TradeMax channel. Today we are going to show you some valuable resources for the Forex traders where all those things can be obtained at the same place. After logging into the XM account, you can see a black color menu at the top of the page. Under the Research and Education menu, you can find a tab called Signals at the bottom. Just go from that tab and you will come to this page where you can find some signals given by this broker. As you can see, they are giving a chart and trends for various time gaps. And sometimes they are suggesting the entry points, stop loss margin and where to put the take profit levels also. And also you can go to the trade ideas section and find signals from various sources for the same currency pair. That's a good thing because if we are getting signals from several sources, we can suggest trades more accurately. In this website, we can see there are a lot of Forex educational materials available. So if you have an interest, you can visit this page with the link given below in the description. And one more thing, after you sign up, you are eligible for a $30 no deposit bonus. So if you are interested in getting some sort of Forex signals and a $30 no deposit bonus, go from the below link, sign up and validate your account properly. Thank you.